Let me show you the fastest way to check your email campaign reports inside MailerLite. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time or you're looking to polish your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting the best results. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and log into your MailerLite dashboard. This is your home base for everything: your subscriber lists, automations, and of course, all of your email campaigns. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This will take you to a page that lists every campaign you've created, whether it's currently in draft mode, scheduled, or already sent. Now, depending on how many emails you've sent out, that list can get pretty long. What you want to do is select the Sent tab at the top. This filters the view to show only campaigns that have already gone out to your subscribers. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific email campaign you want to check on. Once you've located it, simply click View Report next to that campaign. This is where the real insight lives. The Overview tab will open automatically, and it will display a clean summary of your campaign's performance. Here you'll see your total emails sent, your open rate, the number of clicks, how many people unsubscribed, and your bounce count. The open rate is particularly useful because it tells you how compelling your subject line was, while the click rate shows how well your content engaged your audience. Bounces are worth keeping an eye on too. They can indicate old or invalid email addresses in your list, which can hurt your sender reputation over time. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to check your email campaign reports inside MailerLite. Take a few minutes to review your past campaigns, and you'll start spotting patterns that can help you write better emails and grow your list more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.